Jamaica, listen carefully. While promises are being made and speeches are being delivered, real people are still suffering, waiting, and wondering who will actually show up for them. But guess what? PDTV News. Jamaica didn't just talk, they acted. This is Mishi Deck's commentary. If you value truth, context, and voices that don't bow to pressure, like, share, and subscribe. But listen to this. Tonight, we have to highlight something powerful. While the government, led by Andrew Holness, continues to make big announcements.
But the plan is for, in the initial phase, for the NHD to purchase 5,000 container homes. So that should start in short order. You know, we are not going to get them here for Christmas. I just have to be frank with everybody. But we should start to see some coming in by late January. And those that come in initially, we are going to be looking at the worst cases assessed to make them available.
PDTV, under the leadership of Andre Stevens, took action. Not talk, not press conference, action. PDTV journeyed all the way and delivered its first container house to a hurricane victim, a vision-impaired elderly woman, Miss Adassa.
Guys, Nikisha is here. Nikisha is here.
Nikisha Bird.
Welcome to the live.
Come people, like up the live.
Come, remember to like the live as you come in. Like, press the thumbs up button as you come in. You're about to see the house. You're about to see the house. I told you that I'm coming back. I told you.
What else?
I told you we'll be right back. And now we're in Cambridge, St. James. I hope I'm right.
I think, yeah.
Courtney, you have to back me up in a Courtney.
Yeah.
Let that sink in. A woman, vulnerable, overlooked, struggling after disaster, and instead of waiting on systems, PDTV Family and its team stepped in and changed her life. Now here's the question Jamaica must ask. Where is the urgency from those in power? Because while citizens are still waiting, PDTV has already started delivering. This is what leadership looks like. This is what compassion looks like. This is what real service looks like. And let's be very clear. We are not here to play politics, but we will call out what needs to be called out. Because too often, the people at the bottom are forgotten, but not this time. Prime Minister, Jamaicans are watching. People don't just need speeches. They need shelter. They need dignity. They need help. Now. And if a media platform can mobilize, organize, and deliver a home, then what's stopping the state? And to the donors, let us pause and say thank you to every single person who contributed, whether money, materials, or support. You didn't just donate. You gave hope. You restored dignity. You changed a life.
Come further, we deliver as much more as we can. But this is the journey of 1,000 miles, and it began with Mr. Adassa's home. God bless you. May His face shine upon us and be gracious to us and give us perfect peace. Be blessed. Be blessed. Be blessed.
Feel like that size.
That's all
When you're good?
Great, man. Alright, we need to take up on the work again, right? Yeah. We'll continue.
Oh, it's a blessing. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. I want to show the bongo house. Want to come and see it?
You mean what is left? That's Bongo's. That's Bongo's bundle.
Everything.
I know those horses.
From Bongo. Oh guys, you did it, you did it, you did it, you did it, you did it. Congratulations to you all. Congratulations to you all.
Who is Bongo?
And we have a few of these. That's Mrs. Cunningham up there, a former teacher. And her whole house floor. You realize she's on the top of it. Everything in myself. That's the lady who lived here, as you can see, she no longer lives here. Yet the government is saying that they've been providing housing assistance under the program. And if you look in just this one little square, Mrs. Cunningham is there, no housing assistance. Miss Adassa's house was there, no housing assistance. The lady who lived here and did her business as well here, no housing assistance. Bongo, no housing assistance. It's just one square.
And it's about 5 or 6 squares.
In just one square. So I'm saying, when I say people think I'm exaggerating, but in every constituency, in my constituency, in every community, the homelessness is pervasive, and the reach that the government is telegraphing is not accurate. I don't know if it's accurate of other places, but it certainly isn't accurate here. It's almost 6 months now. Bongo, come here. It's almost 6 months now, and Bongo is still living under a tarpaulin. Tarpaulin. And he's in the face of the constitution, the community, right here in Stonehenge Square. It's a historic square. This is where the train used to come, right? We can't have our people living like this and say we're doing something.
So somebody is still living under here, guys. Someone is still living here. Hear the music, the radio playing. Somebody still live under here. Bongo, how old are you? Repeat?
78.
You're 78 years old.
We can't make him live in that situation.
Wow. Guys, this is grim.
I'm telling you, we have many houses worse than this.
So we have to go clear this.
Bongo needs help.
We'll go see what we can do. Yeah.
It doesn't have to be a container house, but it can be some plywood, some zinc, some board, whatever we can. Yeah, whatever we can do to help him. Peachy brought you guys some herbs. Okay, this is the tree. No, this is not the new. This is the original strain, the red stalk. The green stalk one is the new strain. You see it everywhere.
Oh, it smells like castor oil for true.
It smells like castor oil in there.
Oh.
But this can't be, no. It just cut the ash away. It just smell it. The younger sucker. And if you get this bean, you can't store them on them. But me not go harvest it anyway, so.
I want to say a special thank you to the donors who made this possible. To Miss Dina, to Miss Nads, those two women from overseas who made a significant contribution towards this home in Stonehenge. To Miss Dina and Miss Nads who watched the program in November and saw the dilemma that Miss Adassa was going through, and they said, Andre, they're going to help out. Thanks for that significant contribution. They contributed to this home and the home that is to come from Mama Janet. So I really want to say thank you to them. I want to say thank you to every donor who contributed last week for the home to get up here for the transportation costs. We appreciate you wholesomely. And for that, may your store baskets never run dry and your store baskets never be empty. The Lord shall preserve you and keep you in the seasons and for seasons to come. And I want to say to the lovers, to the naysayers, to the haters, to the bloomers, and to the blessing and destiny helpers. Thank you for always contributing to PDTV. We're very transparent, we're very open, and we're very accountable. Unlike others, when they get it, you don't know where it go. With PDTV, you can know where your monies are spent because we have clouded with every receipt, we have every dollar's check, and we have every I and T dotted and crossed. So until then, Jamaica, I'm out.
Just in case you never know.
Alright. Bye now, guys. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure being over here with you.
Thank you for
How much people met?
Yes.
Miss Adassa is not just receiving a house, she is receiving a second chance. This is what Jamaica is about. Not just talk, but action, unity, and love for our people. Big up to PDTV. Big up to Andre Stevens. Big up to every donor who made this possible. Jamaica, more is required. Walk good, Jamaica.
Cripple paralyze every plan of God, delay me. Enemy that says about you, and make you very clear. How God will rock you with His great protective power that when the enemy approach, they see a barrier. Yes, Lord.
Hallelujah.